Hi, this is Mark with Right Line Trading. Today is November 10th, 2014. I wanted to go over today's trading. Today on the ES, and we put some fib numbers up, and we're going to look and see if these are going to help our trading. And actually, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to remove them until we test them further. And basically, there was nothing to trade on the ES. Very narrow range. Made this one move up. Didn't have order flow, stochastic, or momentum with it. No way we could take it. This was a potential long right here. But we're right on the edge of overbought. And I just elected to step aside on that trade. Now the Russell, terrible volume today on the Russell. 41,000 contracts. Just horrible. And we got a good trade. It just didn't work. And not all of them do. Got the break to the upside. Got this nice retracement. Background bias is green. We have order flow and momentum with us. Retracement right to the modified 15. 50 is green. 15 is green. The trade went just a couple of ticks and then came back and stopped us out. Now the pivot was not there at the time. It just went 3. And that was all we got on the Russell. Tough day to trade the anything on the New York Stock Exchange, I'll tell you. S&P, the E-mini, the Russell. Didn't look at the NASDAQ. But we had some really great trades on the on crude. Of course, first trade was a loser. I missed this trade by just a couple of seconds. I opened the room at 8:45. It was just maturing, and I missed it. But this is a great retracement and down. Order flow and momentum with us right off the modified 15. Background bias. The whole shebang went nowhere. Minus 10. Then I took this trade as a bounce off the 50 with background bias, and it just headed down 5 ticks. Now this was another bounce off the 50, didn't have background bias, didn't quite break the modified 15, and of course this one blew down a gigantic amount, just the way it was today. You can only take the appropriate signals. On that, the right trading the right edge is one of the most difficult things imaginable. Now this was a perfect signal, but it was way oversold. No way to know that crude is going to take this kind of a dive. Then we had this great signal here. And if you just wait for the signals, they come. It's kind of like Field of Dreams. Build it, and they will come. The break, retracement, down 12 for 2 targets. Now this is another great trade. This is the only one that I sort of lament over. I didn't get this one matured very quickly, and I ran to put it in the trader. Didn't get it in time, and this was a really nice trade to the downside for 16 ticks, which just didn't get. Then we had the break and the retracement. The trade went 22 ticks. It stutter stepped us out at +8. So we only got a first target. Then we got the break and the retracement, and we got 39 ticks. we got 2 targets. Then we got the break, the retracement, and we went down for 9 ticks. So we closed out the day. We had 7 trades. We had 5 winners and 2 losers. That 9-tick loser on the Russell, no ES trades. Crew, we had +5 and +12. Unfortunately, on that 22-tick trade, we only got a first target of +8. 39 was a second target. The 12 was a second target. Then we got +9, and we had that one loser of -10. And these were both really, really nice trades. Our net ticks were 68, and it shows with 5 winners and 2 losers, just the metrics of the market, our net equity was $280. Just couldn't get that one more second target. That +9, if it went to +10, would have given us another $150, $160, and pushed us over $400. The Auto Trader had 1 trade, 1 winner, 2 targets for $300. And I just want to quickly show you gold. Now Russell had terrible volume today, and I was watching gold, but not really close enough. There was a great move down and up. Great move down and up, both short. Another move down and up. Look at these trades. This trade. Now we were in this trade actually, but then the Russell and the E-mini opened, so I closed the trade. This candle took 24 minutes to mature, but when it did, it went 13. This candle went 13. All second targets. This went 10. 3 targets. That's $900 right here on this tiny move. And then it happened again. I mean, gold was just a great 13. If we traded gold today, we would have made a mint. This was a first target. So I mean, just innumerable trades on gold. No false signals. Gold traded great. Now, gold did 146,000 contracts. We're going to watch gold much, much closer in the future, because with the Russell at 42,000 contracts, even the E-mini, very, very anemic volume for the E-mini at 633,000 contracts. Very, very paltry volume for those indices. So we're going to keep our eyes on gold tomorrow and see if it's not going to pay off for us. So again, here's how we close the day. I can find my my script. Here we go. Made $280. We had a lot of winners, all on crude, +5, +12, +22, +39, and +9. We had a loser on the Russell and a loser on crude. Both really, really nice setups. So $280 for the day in the trading room. 2 target winner on the auto for $300. And that's our trading for today. And these are all trades taken live and in real time. They're all on the direct entry system, in which I enter the order for the trader. So that's it for today. Let me just put up our info to come into the room for a free trial. You're always welcome. We have people who have come in more than one time. We don't mind. Sign up for a free trial to our live trading room. www.rightlinetrading.com is our website. You can click there to see our daily net equity in the room, our daily net equity on the Auto Trader, and there's a link there for a free trial to the room. You can go to email us at info@rightlinetrading.com, call Call us anytime at 1-855-765-6681. We're always here. We live here. This is our home. So, everyone have a wonderful trading day, and I will see everyone. Hopefully, I will see everybody in the room tomorrow. Take care.